people are worried about, but for some reason that's connected to small point, which is not a direct correlation.
Indeed, oil that's smoking is hot. And when oils get really, really hot and stay really hot for a long time, they can become harmful. But that does not mean that oils that smoke sooner become harmful sooner. That's a notion that you will see repeated by lots of normally reliable sources, but Dr. Wang says it simply is not supported by the most up-to-date research. Smoking is just the thing that you can see. You can't see what actually matters a lot more from a health perspective, and that is the oil breaking down.
From a technical standpoint, that's basically when multiple chemical reactions that can happen, such as hydrolysis, oxidation, reactions that cause larger molecules to break down to smaller molecules, such as aldehydes, and some of them that have neurodegenerative reactions that could cause, for example, Parkinson's or Alzheimer's diseases. So that's the research is pointing that oxidized lipids, which is what's in the oil, contribute to that kind of illness.
And potentially the big C. Research indicates that eating oxidized oils promotes free radicals in the body, and that can cause cancer. But
the research shows that the most dangerous situation is when you use the oil repeatedly. So, for example, if you purchase food from a restaurant that basically never changed their oil, that is actually the real concern regarding carcinogens. But I wouldn't worry about it if it's just everyday cooking at home.
And there's even less to worry about if you're cooking with olive oil. Olive oil is primarily a monounsaturated fat. Most of the vegetable oils that people say are better for high heat cooking have a lot more polyunsaturated fat, and they therefore are much more prone to oxidation. Olive oil is monounsaturated. And if you get extra virgin olive oil, it's going to be rich in natural antioxidants like polyphenols. These will counteract the oxidation as the oil cooks. Now, the opposite of a virgin oil is a refined oil. Oil that has undergone various physical and chemical processes with wholesome names like degumming, neutralization, bleaching, winterization, and deodorization. These extend shelf life and reduce the bitter and pungent flavors that some people don't like. The problem with that is the source of that bitterness is to a great extent the antioxidant